Is it pink, y'all? Is it pink? Ah! Is it pink? Hold on. I know you're probably thinking, like, what happened? Girl, I don't know. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am about to dye my hair pink and cut it up into a bob because Valentine's Day is literally tomorrow and I want to be a hot tamale, okay? So y'all, I bought some dyes from the hair store and I'm using Adore today. The only thing is I don't know if I want to use, hold on, I went to the hair store initially and got 2 Adore dyes in ruby red. My sister helped me pick these out. I don't know if I want to do red, y'all, or pink. I ordered these. I didn't even open them yet. What? I ordered some more Adore dye from Amazon, and I ordered it in the color Cotton Candy. So it's like, girl, make up your mind. What do you want to do? Like, what? Obviously, by the thumbnail, you already seen what color I chose. But y'all, we gotta get this process started because I'm ready to be fine. I'm so ready to be fine. So let me put this towel down. I already got on a shirt that I don't really care about, which it's not like I'm dyeing my hair on my head, so it don't really matter. But this is what I dye all my hair in, y'all. Could y'all tell that water is hot? It's piping hot, baby. So I decided I'm gonna use Cotton Candy Pink, and I'm gonna use both of these bottles because why not? Do y'all want to see it, or like, is it cool that y'all just watching me from here? Let me shake well. I already poured one dye in, and as you can see, that's the color. I don't know if y'all can really see the color, but this is just one bottle. I'm just stirring it with a plastic fork because I didn't feel like using my good china to stir this, child. This is the only plastic I got, so we just gonna use this, okay? As I was pouring this in here, why did I drop a glob of dye on my lap? I don't know if you can tell because my shirt black, but I'm irritated. I'm so irritated, y'all. But hold on, because I want to start dipping. Hold on. Oh, wait. I'm going to pour in the second bottle. So, where is it? We're going to grab the second bottle. Shake it up real quick. Even though it is a bob, I still want to make sure I get as much color on it as I can. You know what I'm saying? You know you got to stir real thoroughly. So that's what I'm doing. Trying to make sure there's no clumpy dumpy dumpies. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get an even color. I'm kind of excited. Like, I kind of feel like it's going to come out really cute. There's no really... I don't really have any worries. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's going to come out really tea. The only thing is, I don't know if my wig came out all the same blonde. So it's like I said, Valentine's Day is tomorrow, so we don't really have time for plan Bs. You know what I'm saying? So plan A has to work out. I really want this pink bob, y'all. Like, no, you don't understand. I really want this pink bob. I had so many options. Like, I have like a 30-inch 613 that was already blonde, but it already had a swoop bang cut into it. And I'm like, I don't really want a swoop bang with pink hair. But I think it's ready. So, y'all, we're going to start dipping. Let's start dipping it. I'm scared. Is y'all scared? Because I'm scared. Is it pink, y'all? Hold on. Can y'all see? Ah! Is it pink? Hold on. Shit. I want to make sure that I don't touch the lace because I'm legally blind. I wouldn't be able to see if my lace turned pink or not. Oh, shit. I forgot to spray the lace with gas to be. Oh, I don't have to do that because I'm not dipping the lace. Okay, cool. But yeah, so I'm not going to dip the lace, y'all. I'm going to try to keep the roots because like I said, I wouldn't be able to see if the lace is pink. So we just gonna not dip the lace, okay? But I am going to, how am I gonna do this? Because I need to get up here, but I don't want to touch the y'all, how am I gonna do this? Oh, I'm not trying to dip the lace. I done dipped the lace. Shit, I dipped the lace, y'all. I didn't mean to do that. Damn it, I did not mean to do that. Y'all, I didn't want to dip the lace. And y'all made me dip the lace. Oh. I'm so irritated. Because I was never supposed to dip the freaking lace. But I'm going to just let it sit. Damn it. I didn't want to dip my rules. Okay, let's just make sure we don't dip it again. Because damn, I did that on mistake. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm so damn. I see why people do it by hand when they're trying to keep the roots. They do it by hand, but I'm not that artsy, so bitch. I forgot to fucking spray the lace. Shit. I should have just sprayed it. What got to be sprayed? It's too late now, huh? I'm gonna end up showing y'all when I'm done washing it out and stuff, and then I'm gonna blow dry it, and we're gonna see what color it turns out, okay? I'm so scared, y'all. So I washed the wig out. This is the color it looks right now while it's wet. I'm so scared, y'all. I don't know. I'm about to blow dry it, and then we're gonna see the true color. I'm actually blow dry it, install it, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what the freaking finished look looks like. I'm scared. Valentine's Day is tomorrow. I gotta be cute, y'all. But I'm gonna be back to show y'all the outcome. We're just gonna hope for the best. I know you're probably thinking, like, what happened? Girl, I don't know. I had ended up trying to dye my hair pink, and I really wanted the pink, but it ended up coming out this color. I mean, what am I talking about? It didn't come out this color. I had to dye it red because the pink didn't come out right. That's what happened. And I think I recorded a clip of the pink, but I'm not sure. But what happened was, so y'all saw me dipping that wig over and over and over again, right? I think the problem is I didn't let it sit, because when I let it dry and I blow dried and everything, Bae was like, sorry, got hair stuck on my lip, but Bae was like, it's still some blonde pieces. So I was like, okay. And the thing is, I only had 2 bottles of pink, so I didn't have really an option. And then it was really late at night, so the only thing I had left to work with was the red dye. So I ended up putting what's it called, ruby red over the pink. I still want to do my pink, so I'm gonna do it another day, but I ended up just doing this red. Hold on, I need a thumbnail. Everybody likes the hair. It came out cute, but I think the only reason, okay, it's not ugly, but I guess because I didn't want this color, I don't really like it. You know what I'm saying? So like, I wanted pink, so I'm a little bit irritated. It's actually been a couple days since I had this wig in. I did it for Valentine's Day. Y'all look at my chocolate rose. It's been a couple of days since I did my hair. I did it for Valentine's Day. Wait, what am I talking about? Yesterday was Valentine's Day. I'm tripping. Yesterday was Valentine's Day. Oh no, I did my hair on the 13th. Yeah, so that's, yeah. I did my hair on the 13th. So yeah, it has been like a couple of days. I feel like my biggest issue was not, I should have just used 613. Instead of bleaching, I will never bleach a wig blonde again. I should have just used a 613 blonde wig so that the color could have just came out evenly. You know what I mean? Me having to, the fact that I bleached this wig and then try to dye it, I knew it wasn't gonna come out even because the bleach didn't come out even when I bleached it. And this wig is shedding like a dog because I bleached it 3 times. So I'm definitely gonna throw this wig away when I take it off, but I want my pink, and I'm gonna attempt to do pink again, but like I said, this time I'm gonna do it on like 613. Definitely. I feel like red is one of the best colors to do, because no matter how blonde your wig is, it's still gonna turn out red, and it's gonna be evenly distributed. Like, girl, I honestly thought when I put the red on that I was still gonna get pink for some reason. I don't know what I was thinking, but I was like, let me just use 1 bottle and it'll probably still turn out like another type of pink. Pink and red together does not make pink. It makes red. So it is what it is though. Still came out tea, but I'm gonna go because I'm actually about to go to bed, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.